Hello friends, welcome to our latest YouTube video where we dive into the world of contemporary designs and showcase innovative ideas to transform your living space. In this video, we will explore modern room partition ideas that not only redefine the concept of space but also add a touch of style to your home. So discover the latest trends in living room dividers from sleek and minimalistic designs to bold and artistic statements. A curated selection of ideas cater to various tastes, ensuring there is something for everyone looking to elevate their home decor game. So, need to create a separate workspace in your living room or interested in an open concept layout without sacrificing privacy? We have got you covered. Our video presents practical and aesthetically pleasing solutions that seamlessly integrate with your modern lifestyle. So explore the versatility of materials from glass and metal to sustainable wood and witness how these choices can impact the overall ambience of your space. We will guide you through the pros and cons of different partition styles, helping you make an informed decision for your home. So, whether you are a design enthusiast or simply looking for practical solution to enhance your living space, this video is a must watch. Join us on this visual journey of modern room partition ideas and unlock the potential of your home layout. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest design inspiration. Let's redefine your space together. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.